afternoon. My name is Cynthia Mora and I'm a physician assistant student. I'm here to ask you questions so that I can relay them to Dr. Smith. If it's okay with you, let me go ahead and start with your name and date of birth, your full name and date of birth. May I please have it?
My name is Edna Villarreal and my date of birth is 3/2/86.
Perfect. How may I address you today?
Well, I'm coming because I have a cough.
Okay, so I'm gonna go. You're coming. Can you tell me a little bit more about the cough?
Not like a really bad cough and a lot of phlegm. And the reason why I'm here is because it bothers me so much. My chest is hurting now.
And when did it start?
It started like about a week ago.
And does it come and go? Or does it come and go, or is it constant?
I say it's more like constant, but it gets really bad at night.
Is this cough, when did it start? You said a week ago, but were you doing anything? Did you go running by any chance? Were you yelling or anything that may have
I don't
caused it?
remember anything like that. I just remember getting some chills. I was at church and like everything started hurting my muscles.
And then, as of right now, is the cough causing any pain in any area, in the neck area or
Well,
in the
just
throat?
no, but like in my chest, it's so dry that it's hurting a lot already, which is why I'm here. I know it's like maybe like a cold or flu, but like I can't take the chest pain, so I want something for it.
On discomfort, or on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the least and 10 being the worst, what would you say your discomfort is or your pain is?
I would say like an 8.
Is there anything that makes it feel worse?
It's just really bad at night when I wake up in the morning too.
Any medications that you're taking, any activity that causes it to hurt more?
Well, I haven't been able
Or
to like
what's-
exercise lately because I'm so sick. I can't like I don't have energy.
And are you taking any medications?
No, I mean I tried that Mucinex stuff, the 12-hour one, over the counter stuff, but I don't even know if it worked. But I'm still taking that right now.
Okay, and how many times a day are you taking that?
It's 12 hours. So I mean I take it once a day because then I forget to take the second one. But it's been a week and it hasn't done much for me.
So you said that the medication isn't doing anything. It's not making it
No,
better.
I'm still taking it though because maybe I figured it'll take some time for it to go away.
As of right now, is there anything that makes it feel better?
Just resting, but it's not really helping either. I just feel a little bit like I just want to sleep, but it's not helping, I'd say, because I can't even sleep that good because my cough is getting so bad at night. So.
And any recent doctor visits or any home remedies that you've tried?
The only thing I tried because I also have like very bad phlegm is just that what do you call it? Like a tea that I don't know what the tea is called, but they say it's very good for the phlegm.
And any recent doctor visits to try to address this concern?
No, you're my doctor.
With this cough, have you had any other fever, any runny nose, any headaches, or have you?
No, like just the cough, the chest pain, the cough, and the chills I got at the beginning. They're like kind of going away, and I'm just very fatigued all the time. I did have a headache at the beginning, but no fever. And, let me see, the runny nose, it already stopped too. I did have a little bit.
have you traveled lately?
No. Like, where do you mean travel? Like, to where?
Have-
I mean,
Have you gone on vacation?
oh, no. Yeah, actually, I went to to Mexico. That counts, but just across the border to Reynosa and stuff.
Okay, is there anything else you'd like to share?
No, I mean, just I wanted to see if I could get like a chest X-ray or something.
So, if it's okay with you, I'm gonna go ahead and review the information that you have provided me with. And, please feel free to stop me at any time if there's something that you want me to add to the notes. So as of right now, you are here for a cough. You do feel that it's a bad cough and it is accompanied by phlegm. It started a week ago. It's been constant. It gets worse at night. You feel that it started at church. You had achy muscles. Your chest has been hurting. Your cough has been dry. And as far as the quality of discomfort or pain, you said 8. You have been taking. You say that at night and in the morning it worsens. You say that you have been taking Mucinex once a day. It's a 12-hour. You haven't been able to exercise because of the cough. You do feel that it gets better when you rest. You have used a tea for the phlegm. You haven't seen any doctor. You were experiencing chest pain, chills, and you were feeling tired, fatigued. You experienced a headache, but you didn't have a fever. You didn't have a runny nose, and you did travel to Mexico, across the border. And you're also here for a chest X-ray. Is that correct?
Yeah. That's a lot of stuff.
So, with that said, it sure is. But we're here to help you. So, with that said, I'm going to go ahead and take this information to the doctor, and we will be back shortly to discuss your situation.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.